Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start at the locker hub with ID and booking ready. This proves your reservation and lets staff verify quickly. Once at the terminal, read the on-screen prompts to select language, then choose check-in or reserve. This step binds your ID to a locker. Make sure to input the booking code or scan the QR sent to your phone. Doing this now prevents delays, and the machine will prompt payment authorization if required. You will see the locker number flash. Walk to that compartment and open it when the latch clicks. Once open, place belongings neatly. Do not force items or exceed size or weight limits. This avoids jams and damage. Close the door and return to the terminal to press Confirm Lock. The system issues an OTP or receipt and logs the locker ID to your booking. Keep that OTP safe. It's how you will retrieve your items later. When you return, you enter your OTP or scan the QR at the kiosk to signal release. The correct compartment will unlock automatically, and you collect your items. If the locker does not open, remain calm. Press the on-screen Help or Intercom button and show your receipt and ID to staff. They can remotely open or manually override the unit. Make sure to report a lost OTP right away so staff can verify identity and prevent unauthorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.